So this is my review for Pop Veneers. Got them just yesterday. Very stoked. Um, so what my smile looks like now. I'm missing. And from neglect, just got a lot of stains I'm embarrassed about showing off. I'm in sales, so I'm usually talking to people and I talk to them like this. So when I smile, I'm like, but this is what I got. You can see the difference. You hear them just snap right onto. Very serious, very secure. This is the top. So now, no more gaps. Loving them. Not afraid to smile. I've been showing it off a lot now. I like it. Very nice. Thank you so much.